Alright, let's go.
With the fucking windows down.
Yeah. Windows down.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah. One of the most valid spots on this island, definitely. We just found. And take the drone out, the GoPro. Alright, so we're gonna set up the Mavic right now and then see how this place is gonna look. Yeah, the infamous black sand of Hawaii. This guy.
Try to stay in the steam as long as you can.
Pretty warm. Go behind you. Damn. Damn, but it's so like hot, and then as soon as you walk out of this, damn, as soon as you walk out of the steam, it's like cold because of the breeze. That looks pretty freaking good, if you ask me.
So wait, alright, so vents, we gotta go up around. Oh, what? We can park right fucking there?
And look down?
What?
Yeah, that would work.
Nah,
You
bro,
go
look,
there?
it's right there. I'll walk through
The crater?
Fucking barefoot.
Sure.
Come on, tell us what's up.
Nope. Look at that. This used to be a volcano. If we go all the way up there to the left side, then, I mean, it still is a volcano, but what I'm saying is, if we go all the way up there, then we just look down inside of it. It's high down there. That's what people say. Oh, that is straight down. That's high. That's really, really high. Damn, bro, look at that. That is insane. That's literally the edge right there.
No lava though.
Oh no. That was the nature tour of the volcano. Well, kind of. I just think I found the most beautiful beach. Now it's time for the DJI. Set it up and look at this place. Skip the rocks. I cannot tell you how beautiful this place actually is. You'll see it on the drawing, the GoPro, and the camera. Yeah, that's actually low-key cool. There we go. That's high. But if we can go inside that cave down there,
Yeah, that'd be so cool.
that would be...
It's a park.
Well, that's awesome. Spot, I'm gonna leave the camera here and just take this. City, but there's nothing. Nothing at all. We go.
Awesome. Have you guys been up here before?
We were here yesterday, but not up there.
Well,
Okay,
safe,
thank
have
you.
fun.
Thank you.
Get your shirt on by.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, we're literally on Mars right now. Bro, if you could see this right now. If you could see this. Walking on the side. Now we just gotta wait for the sunset. We're sitting in the car right now waiting for sunset because it's about 50 degrees outside, and sunset is in 45 minutes. Oh boy, sleeping right now. Now we're starting. Damn, let's see that. Look at that. It's about time. Bro, I'm shaking right now. What you got to say, Mello?
I'm a little chilly.
A little chilly? It's a lot chilly. Bro, I'm shaking with the camera right now. Look at boy.
I'm not that cold, but
I'm that cold. Crazy. I think my face is kind of burned.
I think your face burned. Your face?
Yeah, I think, my face is kind of burned. Well, yeah, it's about to be sunset. Actually, no, that's wrong. About to be sunset, 13,000 feet in the sky with 50-degree weather. This is going to be one of the lifetime things ever.